test the chemical nature of a substance, a special kind of substance called indicator is used. Indicators can be divided into two parts, natural indicators and synthetic indicators.
Natural occurring indicators that are obtained from naturally occurring substance is called natural occurring indicator. Example: litmus, turmeric, and china.
Synthetic indicators. Indicators that are made in laboratory are called synthetic indicators. For example, phenolphthalein and methylone. Phenolphthalein remains colorless in acidic medium and it turns pink in basic medium.
Red litmus remains red in acid.
Red litmus turns blue in basic medium.
Methyl orange turns red in acidic medium and yellow in basic medium. Turmeric turns red in basic solution.